Hello everyone, welcome to the video lecture series of operating system. In today's session, we are continuing with the topic Unix or Linux operating system. Myself, Pranal Banchal, your instructor. In today's session, we are going to discuss non-interactive shell scripting. As we already understood in the previous session, what is shell scripting? So shell script is nothing but collection of Unix commands. Fine. So the shell scripting can be categorized, or so there are two types of shell scripting. One is interactive shell scripting and second one is non-interactive shell scripting. So what is interactive shell scripting? While script is running, it requires input from the user. That type of script is called interactive shell script. And what is non-interactive shell script? While script is running, there is no requirement of user input at the time of execution. That type of shell script is called non-interactive shell script. So in today's session, we are going to discuss non-interactive shell scripting with the help of various programs, various shell script programs. Okay, so let us discuss non-interactive means what? In this case, once script is executing, human intervention is not required. So let us discuss non-interactive shell script. So first of all, if you want to see in which shell you are right now, so in that case there is one command echo. Echo is a command that you can see in this particular snapshot. Echo is nothing but one command which is used just as printf in C language. Fine. And dollar symbol is nothing but it represents we are at bash shell. So if you want to display in which shell we are running, so there is one command through which we can come to know that whether we are in bash shell, or we can say corn shell, or we can say C shell. So if you want to come to know these things, so there is one command. You need to fire echo space $0 $0. Okay, so if you fire this command echo space $0, it will show you at the end in which shell you are working. So you can see the bash shell. In bash shell we are working right now. Fine. So $prompt tells us we are in bash shell, and bash shell is nothing but default shell. It is also known as Bourne shell, that we already understood in the previous session. So that things you have to keep in your mind. Now let us going to discuss the non-interactive shell script. So for that we need to create one shell script file first of all. Yes. So what we need to do is, you know very well, I have fired one we can say a statement which consists of various things. First is vi. So at terminal I have fired first vi. Vi is nothing but visual editor. Vi stands for visual editor. So it is one type of editor, or you can say it is popular, or you can say very widely used editor in Unix operating system. So vi space means what? Based on which editor, or by using which editor you need to write this script. So we are using vi editor right now. Okay, vi space myscript4. Myscript4 is nothing but the file name, or you can say script name that we have mentioned. Okay, so my script 4.sh is nothing but, as I told you, every script file end with .sh extension. Sh is nothing but a standard shell. Okay, so this is nothing but .sh. Dot is nothing but a period symbol and sh is nothing but the extension, okay, of the script file. So I hope it is clear. vi is the name of editor, my script 4 is nothing but name of the script file, and .sh is nothing but the extension. So once you fire this command, or once you write this statement and press enter, what will happen? If this file, my script 4, is already exist, that file will be opened. But if this file is not exist, okay, in the database, in that case, this file will be created by this statement. Clear? Okay. So let us assume this file is not created yet. So let us, by having this statement, it will be created and it will display like this. Okay, so once it is, say for example, if it is already created, it will open the file. So it contains, this set of code in which the first statement is what? Echo. Echo, you know very well, just like a printf statement in C. So it means what? Echo is used to print the string values. Fine. So can print string values, or we can say it can print the integer values as well. So echo space in double quotation. In double quotation I have mentioned, welcome to the world of shell scripting. This string I have mentioned in double quotation. These things you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now the next statement I have used again with the help of echo space in single quotation. I have used default script is bash. I have written this statement, default script is bash, and it is enclosed with single quotation. And the last sentence or the statement I have used, echo space welcome, without using quotation. So once we execute this script file, it will give the 3 strings as output, and it will be displayed same as like this, okay, without any error. So it means what? That is the reason why scripting language is nothing but loosely typed programming, weakly typed programming language. Why? Because this rules or the syntax is not that much strict as compared to programming language. So if you written this set of string in double quotation, if you written some another string in single quotation, or if you are not using this quotation, so definitely in the output all the strings will be displayed as it is without any error. So that is the reason why it is called weakly typed programming language. Fine. And once you write this program, okay, in insert mode, because if you, as I told you, if any file is not already exist and you are opening that file with the help of vi editor, vi command, okay, so at initial stage this file would be open only, it do not have any content, means what? It is empty file. But I have written this 3 statement in this file. So how we can insert this, how we can insert the content in this particular file, script file, or you can say any script file. So you need to go to the insert mode by pressing I on the keyboard first, and then you can write something in it, because the scripting language works in 2 modes. One is command mode and second one is what? Insert mode. So if you want to insert something, if you want to write some code in scripting language, so you need to definitely there in the insert mode. But when you want to execute that program, okay, in that case you need to switch from insert mode to a command mode. So how we can, suppose if I have go into the insert mode and I have written these statements, and now I need to save this file and execute it. So how we can do it? So you need to press first of all you have to save this program. Fine. So how we can save and exit from this mode? So you need to fire escape:wq. Escape:wq means what? Save and exit. This option will do such type of operation. It will save the current content and exit from this particular mode. So that is the reason why you can see at the bottom side, column WQ is displayed. Fine. So once you write this WQ and simply press enter, it will look like this. Means what? This file is this myscript4.sh file is saved successfully, and we have come out from the insert mode. Now I need to execute this program. So if you want to execute any script file, the syntax is what? The name, file name dot extension, that is okay. Yes, whenever you want to create a file or execute a file name dot extension is required. But one change you need to have, instead of vi, we need to use in this case sh. So sh is nothing but interpreter, because it is one type of a weakly typed programming language in which there is no compiler. Compiler is not required to execute such type of program. So compiler is not exist over here. So instead of compiler we have interpreter. So sh is nothing but interpreter. So it will interpret the statement that we have written in this program, and then it will be executed. Fine. So once you fire this command sh space myscript4.sh, and once you press enter, it will display the program output. Welcome to the world of shell scripting. Default script is bash and welcome. You can see there is no error, even if we have used different syntax to write different string. In this case we do not use any quotation. In the case of welcome, still it is displayed on the output. Yes, so that is the reason why it is called loosely typed programming language. Fine. One more example we are going to discuss of non-interactive shell script. So let us discuss that stuff. But before that, suppose if I made some mistake, so how interpreter will display that error message? These things you have to keep in your mind. Same program I have opened once again. Okay, and you can see in the second statement of echo, I have intentionally did one mistake. ECHO instead of ECHO, I have written EHO, and again I save this program and exit from the insert mode. So what will happen? And again I will compile this same program. So what will be the output? So once you execute this program with help of interpreter sh, what will be the output? Because first statement was clear, there was no error in that case. Yes, because we didn't do any mistake in that case. Yes, so it means what? The first statement will be displayed, welcome to the world of shell scripting. In second statement, I have done one mistake intentionally. I have written the wrong spelling of echo. So the interpreter will generate an error like this. This EHO is not found. But again it will go to the next statement and will check if everything is okay. It will display the remaining statement as well. So welcome is displayed because in that case there is no mistake. So this is the, you can say, advantage of interpreter based language. Okay, and how it is generating the error, that we can easily come to know that with the help of this example. Fine. So let us discuss one more example of non-interactive shell script. So again I have used the same syntax vi myscript4.sh. If file is already there, it will be open. If it is not there, it will be created by this statement. Okay. Now, in this particular program, first statement I have written with the help of and it is started with hash. Hash means what? Hash represents comment. Okay, comment section in the case of shell scripting. So whenever you start any statement or say sentence with the help of hash, it means what? That would be considered as comment section. So it will not going to display on the output. Fine. So in this case, the comment section I have mentioned display the IP address. If I want to display the IP address of my machine, okay. So there is one command, host name space -i. These commands we already understood in the Linux command. So command we are not going to discuss because we already discussed these things. But we need to understand how we can execute the non-interactive script file. How we can write this script file, okay, and how we can execute it. That we are going to discuss in this session. Fine. So host name space -i. So with the help of this, we can fetch the IP address of the machine. Second comment section, display the name of the processor. So uname -p. So it will show the name of the processor. Then third one is display date in which format? y/mm/dd. If you want to display the date in this particular format, you have to fire this command, date space plus %F. This syntax you have to use to display this date in this particular format. Okay, then the last command I have used is what? Display the day number in a year. So you know very well, we already discussed the Julian calendar, in which it will display the day number, okay, of a particular year. So cal is nothing but the command for calendar space -j for Julian. Okay, so it will display the day number. And last one is if everything is displayed, then everything is displayed as per the input that we have supplied. And the last statement is what? Echo all commands successfully executed. Means this command will be executed. Means what? This statement will be printed at the end. Okay. So let us discuss. This is non-interactive program. Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because at runtime there is no input is required from the user or from the keyboard. It is not required. So that is the reason why it is called non-interactive shell script. So let us execute this program. So if you want to execute, as I told you, you need to use interpreter name sh space myfile2.sh. Yes. First, we need to display the IP address of a particular machine. So in this case, it's show me the loopback address 127.0.1.1 IPv4 type of address we have in this case. Then the processor name 64-bit machine we have. It display x86-64. Then date format. Which format we have used in that case? Y, then month, and then day. Date. Fine. So 2020. The 6 is nothing but the month, and 30 is nothing but date. And the last is what? The day number in a particular. So what is the today's day number in this particular year of 365 days? Out of 365, today is which day? Okay, so it is 182 day. It is highlighted, you can see. And the last statement we have used echo all command, in which we have mentioned this all command successfully executed. Means everything will be executed successfully. So this is all about non-interactive shell script. I hope it was clear to you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.